Hello yogis! Today I'm giving you a short tutorial on Garudasana or eagle pose. It's a great pose to build strength and it's a great pose to build balance, and it's an awesome pose for flushing the joints and activating your Ajna chakra or your third eye chakra, which is the space between your eyes just above your eyebrows. So if you've never done this before, then please go slowly, and I will give a couple variations to do this in stages. And please, 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 if you have any knee injuries or knee issues, please do not tuck and wrap your toe around your calf. Okay, let's get on the mat. So finding your mountain pose, just take a nice breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Clear everything. Inhale through the nose. Close the eyes. Exhale through mouth. One more time. I want you to focus on your feet and positioning them so that they're nicely stabilized and grounding into your mat. The weight should be equally distributed throughout the foot. Find your mountain pose, stacking your ankles under knees and knees underneath your pelvis, tucking the pelvis underneath you slightly so that you can raise the heart and roll the shoulders down, back, and away. Very important to be in a proper position when you start this asana. Inhale, lift the arm bones up and look up. On your exhalation, bring your arms down and give yourself a big hug. So the right arm is going to go underneath this time and the left arm's over top. Take a breath in and take a breath out. Now if you want to intensify, you can bring your hands up and try to wrap around yourself here so the right hand can hook onto the left thumb. Palms are facing each other and fingertips are pointing up. We lift the arm bones up, so you're creating a nice stretch through the shoulder blades. Keep the chin tucked down slightly and fix your gaze onto a marked spot. So this will help you to keep your balance. Bending your knees over top of ankles, sitting the tailbone down like you're going to sit in a chair. You can rest here and continue some long inhales through nose and exhales through your mouth. To intensify, lift the right leg up and place your knee over top of the left leg. Finding your chair on one leg, and then if it's available, you can tuck that toe underneath your left calf. Lifting the arm bones up. Breathing. Inhale, lift, root, rise. Nice big stretch. Exhale, find your mountain pose again. You can shake it out if you need to. Relax. And we'll find the other side. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And this time we're going to find the left hand underneath the right. So you can give yourself a big hug and just stay here and continue on to the next stage. Or you can lift the hands up so palms are facing and hook the left hand on the right thumb. Take a big exhale, squeeze the joints in your elbow and your shoulders lift up on your inhale. Sink down on your exhale, knees are tracking over top of your ankles. And you can stay here. And then again, if you want more intensity, you lift the left foot over top of the right, and then you can hook your left toe behind the right calf. Nice long ujjayi breath in through nose and out through mouth. And inhale, lift, root, rise. Nice big stretch. And exhale, find your mountain pose. And that's a short tutorial on Garudasana. I hope you enjoy it and practice your eagle pose. It'll help you to get nice and centered, balanced, stronger, and like an eagle, you can do and catch anything. Namaste.